Hi, this material gives opportunity to learn multiplication in a very fun way. Now, when we are teaching multiplication to very young kids, we tell them to learn tables, so they learn it by heart, and all that is fine. They need to learn by heart, but if they also understand how we get 2 into 2 as 4, if they know it, they can develop their multiplication tables on their own. So let's see how to do that. So, before we begin, you'll have to understand which is a general teaching methodology, which is you have to allow the child to explore the materials. So you can't directly start off saying, "Okay, let us put the plugs in the first row." So the child has to understand how the math is. So give the material to the child, familiarize the material, tell them what is where and what are the names, familiarize with the vocabulary associated. Then you introduce the concept. This is called mathmat. This is available in Jodogan. Now these are all plugs. So you can there are holes there. It's a 10 by 10 mathmat. So there are 10 holes vertically and 10 holes horizontally. So you could put these plugs in these holes. You could just fix it, right? Okay. Now, to learn multiplication, let's take as an example 2 into 4. 2 taken 4 times. Now, 2 taken 4 times, you have to take two plugs, 1 and 2. I am plugging it into the holes of the top row and column 1 and column 2. Again, that is 2 taken one time. Now I'm taking 2 again the second time. So I'm plugging the second row, column 1 and column 2 again. Now I'm taking the third 2 and the fourth 2. So now I have the four twos plugged in the column 1 and column 2 of rows 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 2 is taken 4 times. So now the answer is I just have to add all the plugs that are there in the mat. And I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 taken 4 times is 8. Okay, so I'm putting this back. So we could do 7 taken 6 times in the similar way. So as the child learns bigger tables, you could do it um, as in when the child wants. So 7 taken 3 times. Okay. So I finished inserting 7 plugs in first row. Now I'm inserting 7 plugs in the second row. Now this activity also helps children in fine motor skills. So it's good for very young children to use this mat, and also gives another medium for them to learn. It's a fun way of learning. So I have inserted 7 in all three rows. Now it's time to get the answer. All I have to do is add them up: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 7 taken 3 times is 21. So this is how we do it. Okay. And you could also develop games on who is going to do first. So you could have one child sit on one side, the other child sitting on the other side, competing with each other and to solve a particular problem. Okay, so it's a fun way. Thanks.